Lesson: Data breach notification requirements across jurisdictions. Data breach notification requirements vary significantly across jurisdictions, presenting a complex landscape that privacy professionals must navigate to ensure compliance and maintain organizational integrity. Understanding these requirements is essential for effectively managing incident and breach responses, as noncompliance can lead to severe penalties, reputational damage, and loss of stakeholder trust. Privacy professionals can utilize several frameworks and tools to streamline this process, ensuring that notification obligations are met efficiently and effectively. Global data protection regulation is often the benchmark for data protection laws worldwide, setting a high standard for data breach notification. Under the GDPR, controllers must report data breaches to the relevant supervisory authority without undue delay and, where feasible, not later than 72 hours after becoming aware of it, unless the breach is unlikely to result in a risk to the rights and freedoms of natural persons. This requirement emphasizes the importance of swift action and thorough internal processes to assess the breach's impact promptly. To comply with these stringent timelines, organizations can implement a data breach response plan, which outlines specific roles and responsibilities, communication protocols, and decision-making processes. A well-structured DBRP includes a clear incident classification protocol to determine the severity of a breach and a notification checklist to ensure all necessary details are communicated to the appropriate authorities. Such a plan enables quick identification of whether a breach meets the notification threshold, facilitating timely reporting. In contrast to the GDPR, the United States employs a sector-specific approach to data breach notification, with various states and federal regulations imposing different requirements. For example, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act mandates that covered entities notify affected individuals, the Secretary of Health and Human Services, and, in some cases, the media when a breach of unsecured protected health information occurs. Many state laws require notification to affected individuals, and in some instances, state regulators or credit reporting agencies, often with varying timelines and conditions. Given this variability, organizations operating in multiple jurisdictions must adopt a flexible, scalable incident response framework that accommodates diverse legal requirements. Implementing a centralized breach management system that tracks jurisdiction-specific obligations and deadlines can streamline compliance efforts. Such systems can be integrated with existing IT infrastructure to enable automatic updates and alerts, reducing the risk of oversight and ensuring that all stakeholders remain informed. For example, consider a multinational corporation that experienced a data breach affecting customers in both the European Union and several U.S. states. By utilizing a centralized breach management system, the organization could quickly determine the applicable notification requirements for each jurisdiction, facilitating efficient coordination of its response efforts. This approach not only ensures compliance, but also enhances the organization's ability to communicate effectively with affected individuals and regulators, thereby mitigating potential reputational damage. Case studies further illustrate the importance of understanding and adhering to jurisdiction-specific notification requirements. In 2018, British Airways suffered a data breach affecting over 500,000 customers. The company reported the breach to the UK Information Commissioner's Office promptly, but subsequent investigations revealed that the breach began months before the company became aware of it. The ICO fined British Airways £183 million for failing to protect customer data adequately and delaying notification. This case underscores the critical need for robust monitoring and detection systems to identify breaches as soon as they occur. To enhance detection capabilities, organizations can deploy advanced security information and event management systems, which aggregate and analyze security data from across the enterprise to identify potential threats in real time. By integrating SIEM with a comprehensive incident response framework, privacy professionals can ensure that breaches are detected and assessed promptly, enabling timely notification and minimizing potential penalties. Statistics further highlight the challenges organizations face in meeting data breach notification requirements. A 2020 study by the Ponemon Institute found that 48% of organizations reported that their data breach detection and notification processes were not efficient, with an average detection time of 206 days and an average notification time of 73 days. These findings emphasize the need for privacy professionals to prioritize investing in tools and frameworks that enhance detection and response capabilities. In addition to technological solutions, organizations can benefit from regular training and awareness programs for employees across all levels. Ensuring that staff are familiar with the organization's DBRP and understand their roles in the event of a data breach is crucial for maintaining compliance and protecting sensitive information. Such programs should include simulations and tabletop exercises to test the effectiveness of the DBRP and identify areas for improvement. Finally, privacy professionals should stay informed about evolving data breach notification requirements and best practices by engaging with industry groups, attending conferences, and participating in continuing education opportunities. By maintaining a current understanding of the regulatory landscape and emerging trends, professionals can proactively adapt their incident response strategies to meet new challenges and ensure ongoing compliance. In conclusion, navigating data breach notification requirements across jurisdictions requires a comprehensive understanding of applicable laws and the implementation of effective tools and frameworks. By adopting a structured approach to incident response, leveraging technology to enhance detection and compliance efforts, and fostering a culture of awareness and preparedness within the organization, privacy professionals can successfully manage data breaches and mitigate their impact. This approach not only ensures regulatory compliance, but also strengthens stakeholder trust and organizational resilience in the face of increasingly complex data protection challenges.